everyone, today I'm going to show you how to recover your Google account after resetting your phone. This will work using several Google services like Gmail, Google Drive, or Chrome, but in this tutorial we'll be using Chrome. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your Chrome, then tap the profile icon at the top of screen. Now, because my phone is fine and already signed in to my Google account like this, so it might look a little different for you, but the process is the same. Just tap on it and then choose add account to device. Just verify your identity like this. If you remember your email address, simply type it in the box, then just tap next, then just enter your password, and then done. You will be signed in again. But if you forgot your email address, just tap on forgot email. And here's an important tip. Always make sure your Google account has a recovery phone number or email added, because this will make the recovery process much easier. So just enter your recovery phone number or recovery email here. In this tutorial, I will use an email like this, and then just tap next. Next, just type your first name and last name. Then Google will send a verification code to your recovery contact. So just tap send to make Google send a verification code. And then after you receive the email, just enter that code. And then just tap next. And see your email just found by Google. Once your email is found, just tap on it. And then you will be asked to enter your password. If you remember it, just type it in and you will be done. But if you forgot your password, just tap on forgot password and follow the steps. Google will send a new password link or verification code to your recovery email or phone number, just like earlier. But in this tutorial, because I remember my password, so I will enter it now. And then just tap next. Next, just tap I agree. And done. Your Google account is recovered and you sign in on your phone again. So that's how you recover your Google account after resetting your phone. It's quick, easy, and free. Okay, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!